Storybook pamphlet. First, take a color paper and fold like this. Then I stick some pictures and write the storybook name, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Now I write the author name, Eric Carley. Now I write with black pen, Very Hungry Caterpillar. Now I write something about the story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Is a story about a small caterpillar who emerges from an egg and became a beautiful butterfly. Now I stick pictures of life cycle of a butterfly. First there was an egg, and then one caterpillar come out from the egg. Then it made a cocoon. He come out from the cocoon and be a butterfly. And we draw arrows. I just stick pictures of caterpillar on both sides. After that, my storybook pamphlet is ready. Thank you.